The coefficient of performance, that is COP of a refrigerator, is 5. If the temperature inside a freezer is minus 20 degrees centigrade, the temperature of the surrounding to which it rejects heat is. In the options, everything they are given in terms of minus because the heat is rejected from the system for that reason. Okay. Then the coefficient of performance, that is alpha, they are given that is equal to 5. And the temperature, inside temperature freezer, that is a T2 is equal to minus 20 degrees centigrade. Then here we need to find the value, that is T1 is equal to question mark, we need to find that value. Then the coefficient of performance is defined as, that is alpha is equal to T2 divided by T1 minus T2, where T1 is the temperature of the surrounding and T2 is the temperature of the freezer. Then we can substitute the values. We get alpha is equal to 5, which is equal to T2 is equal to minus 20 degrees centigrade in terms of Kelvin. If I am going to substitute, we get the answer, that is minus 20 plus 273 is 253 divided by T1 we need to find minus 253. Then by simplifying, 5T1 minus 5 into 253, which is nothing but 1265, is equal to 253. Then 5T1 is equal to minus 1265 will move to the right hand side. This becomes 1518, that is plus. Then T1 is equal to 1518 divided by 5. We get the value, that is 303.6 Kelvin in terms of degree centigrade, that is minus 273. We get the answer 30.6 degrees centigrade. Then since it is rejects the heat, that is minus, then the closest answer for in the given option is option B is the right answer.